Global consumer demand for 100% natural and plant-based products is surging. Across the food, cosmetic, and nutraceutical industries, retail shelves are rapidly filling with items promising pure botanical health benefits. But behind the clean packaging lies a massive logistical headache. The 100% natural label attracts consumers, yet it creates a significant manufacturing challenge for the companies building these products at scale. The issue is the inherent unpredictability of raw nature. Every plant pulled out of the ground is biologically unique. Environmental variables like a rainy season, the mineral content of the soil, or the specific harvest week will drastically alter a plant's chemical potency. Businesses cannot scale a global brand by relying on the biological whims of a farm. To produce millions of identical items, they require absolute, measurable uniformity. If a batch of dietary supplements or skincare creams contains fluctuating levels of active botanical ingredients, the manufacturer faces immediate financial and regulatory risks, ranging from product recalls to permanent brand damage. You cannot feed natural chaos into a modern commercial production line. These facilities operate on rigid tolerances, churning out identical, precise units by the thousands. To maintain compliance at scale, a global brand must find a way to strip the unpredictable variability out of the botanical supply chain entirely. Global industries operate on precision. They demand natural essences delivered with the predictability of a synthetic chemical. Mountain Naturals solves this variability problem by acting as the bridge between traditional botanical sourcing and modern scientific rigor. The process begins by inspecting and validating wild harvested botanicals, translating raw agricultural output into highly controlled physical assets. Standardization happens at the molecular level through high-performance liquid chromatography. This process identifies and quantifies every individual chemical component. Utilizing HPLC guarantees the exact percentage of an active compound in every single batch, removing agricultural guesswork. This creates a standardized extract. Instead of an unpredictable route, a manufacturer is purchasing an isolated guaranteed yield, like exactly 95% curcuminoids, every single time. This scientific rigor is the core value businesses are purchasing: guaranteed consistency. Achieving chemical consistency is only half the battle. To be useful, these ingredients must arrive in the exact physical format required by different manufacturing sectors. The Mountain Naturals catalog organizes standardized herbal extracts for industries requiring targeted efficacy. Pharmaceuticals rely on exact benchmarks, like 95% curcuminoids for turmeric or 50% polyphenols for green tea. Panning down reveals spray-dried variants of beetroot and spinach, engineered for easy integration. For companies with specific R&D requirements, Mountain Naturals also develops custom formulations to support unique product development from the ground up. By delivering ingredients perfectly engineered for immediate industrial application, they eliminate friction on the factory floor. High-quality botanical extracts become a liability if they get stuck at a port and halt a production line. Mountain Naturals treats their supply chain as a critical feature, protecting buyers through ethical sourcing networks and flexible minimum order quantities that adapt to a brand's inventory needs. They have built a robust export infrastructure capable of reliably shipping bulk raw materials directly from India to manufacturing hubs across the globe. This network successfully services highly regulated international markets, including the USA, Europe, the UAE, and Australia. In global manufacturing, secure packaging and on-time delivery are treated with the same exactitude as chemical purity. For a global manufacturing partner, working with Mountain Naturals means transitioning from the anxieties of raw sourcing to a secured, scientifically validated supply chain. This provides the peace of mind that comes from knowing every single batch is HPLC tested, potent, and globally compliant before it ever leaves the facility. True botanical excellence requires a partner capable of delivering nature's best with unwavering industrial reliability. Mountain Naturals provides the consistent raw materials and the industrial reliability required to safely bring natural health products to the world.